Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to enable backup on this laptop. So first open the start menu, then go to settings. In settings select accounts and then go to Windows backup, and here first sync your Microsoft account with Windows by clicking manage. Then click yes sync, then done. If you had to sign into your Microsoft account, then do it. Next tap on setup syncing next to OneDrive folder syncing. Select the folders that you want to backup, click save changes, and the backup will begin. Now if you just exit this page and then go back in here, you'll see that OneDrive is syncing, but AppLists and preferences don't. And to change that, switch this toggle to the right and this one too. And now to complete backing up, click verify right here. Verify your identity by sending an email with a code to your email address that is connected to this Microsoft account, and then you'll have to open the email and enter this code and enter the code that you received into this field. And once you enter this code, click verify, and right now your backup is complete. Your Windows is fully backed up. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.